Read the selection and choose the best answer to each question. Eve wrote about tornadoes. Read Eve's paper and think about how it should be revised. Then answer the questions that follow. Tornado Alley. There is a region in the middle of the United States called Tornado Alley. About 1,000 tornadoes strike Tornado Alley each year. Tornadoes can be dangerous. Those living in Tornado Alley should know what to do during bad weather. Tornado Alley is big. It goes from Texas in the south all the way to North Dakota. The western edge is Colorado. It extends as far east as Ohio. Most of the tornadoes that form in the United States form in this area. Tornadoes can form in other countries too, like Russia, Mexico, and France. In Tornado Alley, cold air from the northwest mixes with warm, dry air from the southwest. Then, warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico blows north. When these air masses mix, tornadoes can happen. Though tornadoes can be dangerous, there are ways to stay safe if you live in Tornado Alley. For one, it is important to have a safe room in your home to go to if a tornado is near. Also, you should listen to weather reports when they are near. These reports can tell you what to do. With more research, we will one day be able to predict where tornadoes will strike. That research will save people's lives. Number 1. What is the best way to combine sentences 3 and 4? A. Either tornadoes can be dangerous, or those living in Tornado Alley should know what to do during bad weather. B. Tornadoes can be dangerous, but those living in Tornado Alley should know what to do during bad weather. C. After tornadoes can be dangerous, those living in Tornado Alley should know what to do during bad weather. D. Tornadoes can be dangerous, so those living in Tornado Alley should know what to do during bad weather. Number 2. Eve wants to add a topic sentence to the beginning of the paragraph containing sentences 11 through 13. Which would be the best topic sentence for this paragraph? F. Many times tornadoes will form from a type of thunderstorm called a supercell. G. So many tornadoes form in Tornado Alley because of the way large air masses typically move in this region. H. Some air masses in the United States are dry, while other air masses are moist. J. The wind inside a tornado can reach speeds up to 300 miles per hour. Number 3. Eve wants to add one more supporting sentence to the fourth paragraph. Sentences 14 through 17. She wants to add the sentence after sentence 15. Which would be the best supporting sentence for this paragraph? A. The most dangerous tornado in United States history was called the Tri-State Tornado. In 1925, it traveled over 200 miles from Missouri to Indiana. B. People once thought that a tornado could not form in a major city, but this belief has been proved wrong many times as tornadoes have struck cities like Miami, Nashville, Chicago, and Salt Lake City. C. Your safe room should be near the middle of the house and should have no windows. D. When a hurricane hits an area, people usually have enough advance warning to leave for a safer place. Number 4. The meaning of sentence 16 can be improved by changing they to which of the following? F, safe rooms. G, people. H, reports. J, tornadoes. Number 5. Eve wants to add a concluding sentence to her selection. What is the best concluding statement to add to the end of this selection? A. Weather scientists will issue a tornado warning if a tornado has been spotted in an area, and they will issue a tornado watch if a tornado may be likely to form in the area. B. Scientists who study the weather are called meteorologists. C. A scale called the Fujita scale is used to rate the power of a tornado, with an F0 being the weakest and an F5 being the most dangerous. D. Until then, to stay safe during bad weather, people living in Tornado Alley must pay close attention to their surroundings and know what to do when a tornado comes near. Number 6. Eve wants to remove a sentence that does not belong in this selection. Which sentence should she remove? F, sentence 1. G, sentence 6. H, sentence 10. J, sentence 14.